It's still hot.
It smells delicious, Mother.
The morning air makes the food taste better.
Bye, Mom and Dad.
Bye, children.
It's such a beautiful morning for a walk.
I know. I hope we can play outside later.
Repeat after me, class. A for apple. Very good. Now, B for ball. Looks very fresh. I will take this one. I will take this one. It looks very fresh. Finally, school is done. Let's go home quickly.
I'm coming with you.
Race you to the big
Have
tree.
fun flying your kites.
Thank you so much, Uncle.
We will.